Good morning. Today we are going to learn about multiplication. We say the word multiplication. When we multiply, we do multiplication. Multiply is what we do. Multiplication is the noun that names what we do. There are certain words that you need to know in order to multiply. You need the words multiplied by, times, each, and product. All of those words always mean multiply when you see them. There are signs or symbols that we use that mean multiply. An X, we use two parentheses next to each other. A times B, with this little circle in the center, and A times B. For example, if I said 2 times 4 equals 8, that means multiply. If I say 2 times 4 equals 8, that is also multiply. Or I can say 2 times 4 equals 8. Multiply. Each of these are symbols that you need to know. They always mean multiply. So I'd like you to think about pencils. If you look, I have two groups of pencils here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. How many in all? Well, that's easy, right? We look at it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. We understand that. Where it comes in with multiply is we have the same number that we are adding. So think about it this way. Again, we're thinking about pencils. How many groups of pencils do I have? Well, there's one group right here, and there's one group right here. So I have 2 groups of pencils. How many pencils are in each group? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 groups with 4 pencils in each group. 2 groups of 4 pencils equals 8. We say 2 times 4 equals 8, or 2 times 4 equals 8. That's multiplication. What we are doing when we multiply, we are adding the same number again and again and again. Look, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. But how many 4s did we have? 1, 2, 3. So we can put it like this and say 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 groups of 4 equals 12. 1, 2, 3 groups with 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group equals 12. That's multiplication. Remember the word, multiplication. So think about this one. $10 plus $10. We have 2 groups, 2 groups with $10 in each group. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So we can say 2 times 10 equals 20. The best way to be really good at multiplication is to learn what we call the times tables. We use something that looks like this, and we show the multiplication in this way. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 times 1 equals 5. So you match up the numbers you're multiplying with the columns, and it helps you to know exactly what your multiplication facts are. You will have a blank multiplication table to fill out when you are working on your own. Now what I'd like you to do is watch the pattern, the way it works with single-digit multiplication. First, we have to multiply the number or digit that is in the ones place. 3 times 5. Well, 3 times 5 equals 15, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Just the way that we do in addition, we write the digit in the ones and we carry the digit in the tens. Then we multiply the digit in the tens place. 3 times 4 equals 12, because 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 45 equals 135. Now look at this one. Again, we're going to multiply the digit in the ones place first. 5 times 2 equals 10, because 5 plus 5 equals 10. We write the digit in the ones, carry the digit in the tens. 5 times 5 equals 25, plus 1, 26. 5 times 52 equals 260. This is multiplication. You can think about it this way. If you remember, I said we multiply the ones and then we multiply the tens. Well, the number 45 is really 40, because there's 4 tens, plus 5, because there are 5 ones. So what we want to say is that 3 times 45 is the same as 3 times 40 plus 3 times 5. Multiply the ones, 3 times 5, 15. Multiply the tens, 3 times 40, 120. Add them together, 135. That's multiplication. Okay, now it is your turn. I'd like you to complete the paper that you have in your packet. When you finish, bring it to me. Have a good day.